This segment of the news has been brought to you by Sun Oil Limited.
Welcome back. The Royal Bahamas Defense Force reported this morning the apprehension of 111 irregular migrants that are now on their way to the capital. Reports are that while conducting a routine patrol on Monday evening, the HMBS Bahamas, under the command of Lieutenant Commander Sidney Wims, intercepted a Haitian sloop in the Guinchos Key area located on the Great Bahama Bank near the territorial line between the Bahamas and Cuba. The migrants consist of 92 males, 14 females, and 5 children. The migrants were thoroughly assessed by the Royal Bahamas Defense Force officials and will be turned over to the immigration officials for further processing upon arrival to the capital. A statement from the Royal Bahamas Defense Force says they remain committed towards border protection against the transnational threats throughout the Commonwealth of the Bahamas. Prior to Monday's apprehension, Haitian nationals, inclusive of 21 adult males and 4 adult females, 1 juvenile male, were arrested on Sunday after officials received a tip that they were on SC Boodle Highway on Abaco. Police on the island shortly before 9 p.m. say a team of officers from the Marsh Harbor Police Station, the Royal Bahamas Defense Force, and the Bahamas Department of Immigration, acting on the information, went to 2 separate residences on SC Boodle Highway. Upon the team's arrival, a search was conducted of both residences, where a total of 26 Haitian nationals were found. They were all handed over to the Immigration Department for processing and deportation. Investigations are being continued there as well. Most of the 71 government-owned clinics have been assessed by the Ministry of Health and Wellness, paving the way for upcoming repairs. Accompanied by an assessment team of engineers, quantity surveyors, healthcare administrators, and providers, Minister of Health and Wellness, Dr. Michael Dowell, was in Grand Bahama last Wednesday visiting clinics and viewing firsthand what repairs are needed to make staff and patients comfortable. Also on the tour was Minister of Social Services and Urban Development, Obi Wilshcombe, Member of Parliament for West Grand Bahama and Bimini. As for funding to carry out the necessary repairs, Dr. Dowell said in coming to office, the government had access to 2 IDB loan facilities, which will help complete the necessary renovations and reconstruction of clinics throughout the Family Islands. Dr. Dowell said the IDB loans will come into effect later this year or early in 2023, but noted that works will begin as soon as the assessments have been completed and contractual agreements are done. Meantime, Dr. Dowell also revealed the Ministry of Health is working to address manpower deficiencies in a variety of areas, including security, emergency medical technicians, and nurses, among others. And finally, earlier this month, Seatrade Cruise announced that Nassau Cruise Port was selected as a finalist in the Sustainability Initiative of the Year category for the Nassau Cruise Port Development Project. The $300 million marine and upland transformation includes several substantial eco-friendly design elements, including production of 1 megawatt of solar power, full facility LED lighting, low water usage plans, full facility recycling plans, and incorporation of new green spaces into the downtown core area. In early July, Nassau Cruise Ports launched its environmental sustainability program under the theme, It's in Our Hands, to establish and promote its commitment to environmental protection and awareness. More recently, the company purchased a 25-foot boat to remove garbage from Nassau Harbor and to support its environmental monitoring efforts. Nassau Cruise Ports is one of 3 finalists for the award. The winner will be announced on September 14th at the Seatrade Cruise Med in Malaga, Spain. That'll do it for your JCN Evening News. Once again, I'm Jcn Saunders. Thanks for joining us.
This segment of the news has been brought to you by Sun Oil Limited.